How to self-publish a book step by step. Are you ready to see your name in print? Tired of waiting for someone to publish you? Well, wait no more, my friend. Today, anyone can self-publish a book, and today is the best time to do it. And now is the best time to self-publish your own book and sell it yourself and get all of the money. In this video, I'm going to share with you all of the steps on how to get this done so that you can do it too. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, no, you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
In this video, I'm going to share with you an easy step-by-step process on how to publish a book yourself and start making money. I'm going to share with you a secret way to self-publish your book in just a few days so you can start making money immediately. I'm going to share with you my incredible way of how to make hundreds of thousands of dollars selling a book, and I'm going to show you the receipts. Yes, you will see proof of what I am saying. Okay. There are so many reasons why you want to write a book. Being an author has so many benefits. As a published author, you are immediately credible. Yes, people see authors and people that have written books as credible people. It makes you an expert on whatever topic you are talking about. Even if you don't write a book that is nonfiction talking about real estate or business or accounting or things like that, even if you write a fiction book, it puts you ahead of other people because you seem like you've done something, you finished something, and it gives you so much credibility. As an entrepreneur, writing a book on something that you know a lot about sets you apart from other people that do what you do. You immediately seem like the expert, whereas someone that does the exact same that you do and doesn't have a book seems like they're a little bit behind you. So the fact of being a published author, even if you self-publish a book, will put you ahead of your competition. Additionally, having a book to offer to your clients and your customers is a very low-cost way to give them information, knowledge, and they don't have to spend a lot of money. People have been able to dissect my book and get all of the information that they need out of a book without having to go into my course or take an entire program. It's an easy, low-cost way for people to come into your world, start learning about something, and they don't have to spend a lot of money. Additionally, it doesn't cost you a lot of money to produce a book and make a profit. So let me tell you about that. Step 1, if you want to self-publish your book, you should create a publishing company. Now, you do not have to do this, but listen to this step before we get into the publishing part because this is so important. If you create a publishing company, which is just a business that you will set up, all you have to do is get registered with the Secretary of State, get you an LLC, limited liability company registration, get an EIN absolutely free at irs.gov, get you a website, a phone number, and a business checking account, and then you will be able to receive money from all of the proceeds from your book sales to your publishing company. This is an amazing way to open up way more funding for your publishing company and write more books. If you receive all of the money from your book sales in just your name, you're going to end up with a lot of tax liability because this is income. However, if you are able to set up a publishing company and publish your own books through your publishing company, then you can route all of the proceeds from your book sale directly to your business checking account. Now, let me tell you an amazing business checking account that you can get set up in just a matter of minutes. North One Business Banking. This is where I use my business banking and so many of my students. The reason why we like North One Business Banking is because we can get a business checking account set up in less than 3 minutes. You can do the entire thing online and it probably will only take you a few minutes, and you can do this from anywhere in the United States. So now when you sell a book, you can have all of the money go directly into your business checking account, and this will allow you to show funds in your business checking account and get even more funding to sell more books. This is the first step to getting to that next level. And why I love North One Banking is because they are simple. Unlike traditional banks, North One will allow you to have a solid monthly fee, meaning it will not change every single month. It's a flat fee. And it will allow you to keep your personal expenses separate from your business expenses. And writing a book, becoming an author, especially making a publishing company, is an amazing business that you should get into, and you want to keep all of those funds and all of those expenses separate separate from your person. So before you write your book, make sure you get a business checking account, and you can use the link below with North One to get started in just a matter of minutes. Do this before you ever start selling a book so you don't get into any trouble mixing your personal and your business expenses and money all together in one account. This will keep everything simple, and you even can use my link below to save money. Okay, let me tell you step 2. Step 2, decide what you are going to write a book about. So many times when we talk about self-publishing a book, we have so many different ideas. But before you ever get started, you want to decide, what is your book going to be about? Are you going to write a book that is fiction, meaning is it going to be fake and, fun? Or is it going to be nonfiction, like Noelle's book, and teach something and have real information? Again, you do not have to make a decision on which book that you want to publish. Both types of books sell very well. I like writing books that are nonfiction, meaning factual books of things that have happened in my life where I'm teaching and giving knowledge as an expert. Because I'm an entrepreneur, writing a book has made me very credible, and I've been able to share my knowledge and things that I have learned, again, at a very low cost to all of my readers. You need to make a decision and decide, what type of book do you want to write so that you can get started. Don't spend a lot of time on this, but make sure that you know and you are focused and clear before you ever get started, or this process is going to take way longer than it really needs to. So step 2, decide what your book is going to be about. Step 3, decide on the title and create an outline. This may sound like child's play, and you may remember some of this from public school, but you want to easily decide, what is the title of my book going to be? One of the things that I learned when I was writing my book is that people love secrets. So that is why my book is called Real Estate Millionaire Secrets. I also have another book called Business Millionaire Secrets. I have another book called B&B Millionaire Secrets, and I have a book called Toro Millionaire Secrets. I absolutely love the word secrets because people love getting secrets, and I love telling secrets. Everybody that knows Noelle knows they do not tell me a secret, because I'm going to come on YouTube, TikTok, and everywhere else and tell all of the secrets, especially if it comes to making money or saving you money. I love doing that. I love writing books about that, and you will find your passion doing the same thing too. So think of a great title for your book that people will be interested in, and then easily just write a quick outline. Do not write the entire book, but just write out an outline of what you want the book to be about. Go through some of the things that you're going to do in the book, and then stop. Step 4, write the book or hire a ghostwriter. Now, I know this sounds like two completely separate things, but they really are not. Let's talk about the difference between the two. You could obviously sit down and write an entire book. Noelle has done that a couple of times, but I'm going to tell you, it's not an easy process. Sitting down and writing a book can be a tedious process. I have seen people spend months and years writing one book. Now, if that's what you want to do, you absolutely can do that. But that's going to be a very long process, and it's probably not going to make you a lot of money. Whether you write the book yourself or you hire a ghostwriter, it really just depends on how quickly you want to get the book out. You definitely could write your book yourself, but if you hire someone to write the book for you, they can usually write the book in a matter of days or weeks, not months or years like you writing it. Additionally, you can find someone to write your book really easily, especially if you already have the title and you've done the outline the way that I said. Now that's all you have to do if you hire a ghostwriter, and they can just build all of the content from your outline. Then they will give you a draft of the book, and you can make edits and revisions. You can add to it, take away, put more things into it, and it won't take you weeks and weeks and months and years to write a book. You can even let a ghostwriter do the bulk of the work, and then you edit and fix the book yourself. Or you can give those revisions back to the editor and let them come up with another draft, and then you review the draft, and then the process goes back and forth until you decide that, yes, this is the final version of my book and it's ready to be published. Now, like I said, I've done this both ways. I have written a book myself from beginning to end, and it was a very tedious process. And quite frankly, I didn't make more money on a book that I hired a ghostwriter to help me. Quite frankly, I was able to write more books once I started a YouTube channel.
Hello everyone. This is Noelle Randall. Welcome to my channel.
Because the ghostwriters were able to take the transcripts from many of my YouTube videos and help me write a book. So many times with a ghostwriter, you don't even have to write anything. You can just do audio transcriptions of what you want to say, send it over to the ghostwriter, and they will transcribe those words into a book, and then you can edit it from there. And this has made the process of writing a book so much more simpler, more efficient, and it costs way less than you would think. Literally, you can go on sites like Fiverr, Fiverr.com, or Upwork, Upwork, Upwork.com. Both of those two sites have what we call freelancers, people that are professional contractors that do this for a living, and they will charge you a small fee. In many cases, they are not in the United States. Some cases they're in the Philippines or China or other countries where you don't have to pay as much as you would have to pay a US or European writer to write for you. This can be such a benefit, but it will require more on your part when it comes to reviewing the draft of your book and providing edits, just to make sure that there are no spelling or grammatical errors in your book. So the first thing that you want to do if you want to sell your book and self-publish it and sell it yourself is go to Amazon. So many people know that Amazon is the perfect online marketplace to buy and sell products. But Amazon actually bought Kindle. You've probably heard of Kindle before, where you can read books. Well, as a publisher, they have Kindle Publishing Direct. We call it KDP. You can upload your book directly to KDP. I'm going to put a screenshot here, and all you have to do is upload your manuscript, upload the cover, get a barcode. You don't even have to pay for it. Amazon will give you a barcode, and you can start selling your book in a matter of days. It usually only takes 24 to 72 hours to get your book approved and published on Amazon. Like I said, when you get the final draft back from your ghostwriter, all you do is create your KDP account, upload the manuscript, the book, the content of it, and upload the front and back cover. If you do any errors whatsoever while you're uploading the book, someone from the KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, will help you. They will also help you decide on what the pricing is. They'll give you suggestions for your book when you're uploading it. And to help boost your sales, you can go into KDP and create an author biography and describe who you are and why people should read your book, and even start getting followers on Amazon. Yeah, it's amazing. I did that before I even had all of the followers on YouTube. It's so fun. But let me share with you a big secret on how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars with my book, and it's not selling it on Amazon. Let me give you the real secret. You can sell your book yourself on your own website. Let me tell you how I do it. You can go to noellsfreebook.com and see exactly how I sell my book. I have made millions of dollars selling this book myself, giving this book away, and people just paying for the shipping. It's an easy way to get people to buy your book without you having to spend a lot of money. Basically, you can give the book away absolutely free, and they just cover the shipping. You can purchase a custom domain just like I did, like noellsfreebook.com, and people can get your book for free and they just cover the shipping. Go check out that website and see how I do it. And as a bonus, I was even able to sell books before I had them written. Let me tell you another thing that you could do with your own website. You literally can start selling the book before it's even written with what we call pre-orders. That's right. Before I was even finished writing my third book, I had already sold it and made hundreds of thousands of dollars because people wanted to buy my book, and they did what's called a pre-order, paying for the book before it was even published. Yes, people often want to know what the book is about and what's going to be in it, and they will literally start buying the book before it's even available. Because a book is such a low-cost item, $10, $20, it's very easy to get sales of a book. And once you have them to buy your book, many people will buy other products and services for you. Like I said, if you go to noellsfreebook.com and you pick up this book, guess what? I'm going to offer you tickets to come to my event. I have free events, and I have events that you can come pay for, and classes and courses and other things like that. And many people will take me up on my offers, or some people will just get the book. Either way, I'm making money, and again, you can do the same thing too. I'm going to even share with you a screenshot of how much money I made on a book before it was even published. Here is a screenshot and a video showing you the exact money that I made on a book that wasn't even published yet. You can get my book, Real Estate Millionaire Secrets, at noellsfreebook.com. That's Noelle, Noelle with an S, noellsfreebook.com, and you can get this one book, or you can get all 4 of my books, Amazon bestsellers, at noellsbookoffer.com. If you just want one of my books, go ahead and get that for free, or if you want to get all of the books and just cover shipping, you can do that too at noellsbookoffer.com. Go to these websites and check them out just so you can see how I'm selling books. And if you want to get the book, you absolutely can, or you can just review my website and see what I'm doing. Either way, I want to help. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.